Empowering healthy habits. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: hair loss. But don't worry, we'll be focusing on prevention and sharing essential diet, lifestyle, and hair care tips that can help you maintain a healthy head of hair. So, let's get started. Diet. One of the key factors in maintaining healthy hair is your diet. Ensuring you consume the right nutrients can significantly impact your hair's health and prevent hair loss. Here are some essential nutrients and food sources to include in your diet. 1. Protein. Hair is primarily made of protein, so consuming enough is crucial. Foods rich in protein include lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, and plant-based sources like beans, lentils, and tofu. 2. Iron. Iron deficiency can lead to hair loss, so make sure to include iron-rich foods like red meat, poultry, leafy greens, and fortified cereals. 3. Vitamin D. This vitamin plays a role in hair follicle health. Get your daily dose from fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and exposure to sunlight. 4. Biotin. Biotin is a B vitamin known for its hair growth benefits. You can find it in foods like eggs, nuts, and whole grains. Remember, a balanced diet is essential for overall health and can directly impact your hair's health. Lifestyle. Your lifestyle choices also play a significant role in hair loss prevention. Here are some tips to follow. 1. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to hair loss, so find stress management techniques like yoga, meditation, or exercise that work for you. 2. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to support your body's natural repair and regeneration processes. 3. Exercise regularly. Exercise helps improve blood circulation, which benefits your hair follicles by delivering essential nutrients. 4. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for overall health, and dehydration can negatively impact your hair's health. Hair care. Last but not least, proper hair care is crucial for preventing hair loss. Here are some essential tips. 1. Be gentle. Avoid aggressive brushing, combing, or towel drying your hair. Instead, use a wide-toothed comb or brush and gently pat dry your hair with a microfiber towel. 2. Choose the right shampoo and conditioner. Opt for sulfate-free and gentle formulas that are specifically designed to promote hair health and prevent hair loss. 3. Avoid heat styling. Frequent use of heat tools like straighteners, curling irons, and blow dryers can weaken your hair, leading to breakage and hair loss. Limit their use and always apply a heat protectant. 4. Don't wear tight hairstyles. Tight ponytails, braids, and buns can cause traction alopecia, a type of hair loss caused by excessive pulling on the hair shaft. Opt for loose hairstyles instead. 5. Scalp care. Regularly massage your scalp with a gentle touch to stimulate blood flow to the hair follicles. You can also incorporate essential oils like rosemary or peppermint, which have been shown to promote hair growth. Treatments and supplements. Now, if you're looking for additional support in your hair loss prevention journey, here are some treatments and supplements to consider. 1. Minoxidil. This FDA-approved topical treatment is known to slow down hair loss and promote hair growth in both men and women. 2. Finasteride. This prescription medication is used to treat male pattern baldness and can help prevent hair loss when taken under a doctor's supervision. 3. Hair growth supplements. Look for supplements containing essential nutrients like biotin, zinc, and vitamins A, C, and E. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. 4. Laser therapy. Low-level laser therapy devices, such as laser combs and helmets, can help stimulate hair growth by increasing blood flow to the hair follicles. 5. Platelet-rich plasma, PRP, therapy. This treatment involves injecting your own platelet-rich plasma into the scalp to stimulate hair growth. It's essential to consult with a qualified professional before considering this option. When to see a doctor. Hair loss can sometimes be a sign of an underlying health issue or a side effect of certain medications. If you're experiencing sudden or excessive hair loss, it's essential to consult your doctor or a dermatologist for a proper evaluation and treatment recommendations. Hair loss myths. Before we wrap up, let's quickly debunk some common hair loss myths. Myth 1. Wearing hats causes hair loss. Truth. Wearing hats does not cause hair loss, but make sure your hat is clean and not too tight to avoid unnecessary tension on your hair. Myth 2. Frequent hair washing leads to hair loss. Truth. Washing your hair regularly with a gentle shampoo helps keep your scalp clean and healthy, which is beneficial for hair growth. Just be careful not to overdo it, as excessively washing your hair can strip it of its natural oils. Myth 3. Hair loss only affects men. Truth. Hair loss affects both men and women, although the patterns and causes may differ. So there you have it. A comprehensive guide on hair loss prevention, including essential diet, lifestyle, and hair care tips. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to maintaining a healthy head of hair. Make sure to incorporate these tips into your daily routine and always consult a professional if you're concerned about hair loss or considering any treatments. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair care tips, tricks, and advice. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care of your hair and stay fabulous.